Welcome back to my channel. I'm Jenny Francis and today I'm going to show you a unboxing. I've recently got the Canon Selphy CP1300 photo printer, and one thing it didn't come with was the printer paper or the ink. So I had to go out and buy this, which I did order when I ordered the Selphy printer. So I knew I had it, and I thought I'd do a unboxing to show you what you get inside. So the part number was RP-108. It comes with 100 sheets and ink. So these are the 6x4 inch, and I haven't opened it yet, so I could do an unboxing. So let's open it. What do we get? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packs of paper and 2 inks. So that's what you get in this box. It's empty. So it does say on the side what you get as well. You get 108 sheets and 2 ink cartridges. That will fit into the Selphy CP1300. So that's what you get in the RP-108 paper set. So if you have any questions, please shout out, comment below. If you're liking what you see, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more unboxings or craft related items coming soon. Okay then guys, thanks, bye.